Hi, I'm Michael Sandler talking to you about today's bankruptcy issues. Well, I'm taping this in December 2013, and the mortgage companies, at least in Northern Virginia, seem to be going crazy. I've stopped 5 foreclosures just this month. People calling me on a lark after seeing my internet videos or a Yellow Page ad, telling me that they're going to be foreclosed on in the next couple of days and they have to hurry in and file. Bankruptcy is a very useful tool in enabling you to keep your home. Filing a bankruptcy, either a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13, will stop the foreclosure on your home, and it will give you time to either get caught up on the mortgage, or if you just need time to make other arrangements, it'll give you time to do that as well. Chapter 7, as I've discussed previously, typically takes 3 months. It's called liquidation, and it doesn't really make any kind of provision for the reasons that have led to the foreclosure, for the arrearage on your home. However, filing a Chapter 7 will stop the foreclosure. It'll give you at least 3 to 6 months typically for you to prepare to move, find something else, save money for a security deposit, that type of thing. Banks generally will give you some time after a bankruptcy before it gets back in front of them to conduct another foreclosure. A lot of times I file a Chapter 7 and the bank doesn't get around to foreclosing again for another year or so. Because a lot of times your house can be put at the end of the line. Now, if you actually want to cure the arrearage, then you can do a Chapter 13. Chapter 13, again, as I've discussed previously, can last 3 to 5 years, and you can use a Chapter 13 plan to get caught up on your mortgage deficiency. So let's say you're $10,000 behind in your mortgage, or $20,000 behind on your mortgage. You can take that arrearage and you can spread it over 60 months and get caught up that way. This is assuming, of course, that the reason you got behind has been solved. So, for instance, if you lost your job and weren't able to make the payments for 8 or 10 months and got behind in the mortgage, but now you have employment and you can make the regular payment and you have some extra money to get caught up, Chapter 13 can be filed to save your home, and you can file a plan to get caught up. Additionally, I've had a number of clients who, well, their deficiency is too large to even be able to get caught up in 5 years. So what we do is we file the Chapter 13 and we make our plan that they will modify the mortgage with the lender and take care of the deficiency that way. So I've had clients who are, up to $100,000 behind on their mortgage, but they file the 13, gives them some time, they put in the mortgage modification application. And mortgage companies are doing a lot of interesting things now with modifications, reducing payments, taking the arrearage, putting it on the back end of the loan, deferring large amounts of principal, or even writing principal down. So modification is an option that you can do while in bankruptcy, and it can even be made a part of your Chapter 13 plan. So to summarize again, bankruptcy can be used to stop a foreclosure, Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. And of course, I'm always available to answer questions about your specific situation.